Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop? You wake up every morning, grab your coffee, get ready for another day of the same old grind. It's like clockwork. Wake up, work, go home, sleep, repeat. A cycle that seems to go on forever. Day after day, you head to your 9 to 5, doing your best to get through the tests, deadlines, emails. The work piles up, pressure builds up. But in the end, it's all for one thing: to pay the bills. And then you get home, only to spend your evening glued to your phone, scrolling endlessly. You don't even realize the hours are slipping away, one mindless post at a time. You're tired, disconnected, and the cycle continues. Eventually, it's bedtime. The whole day vanishes in a blur. You wake up and it's the same thing again. The days pass, and before you know it, months, even years have gone by in this endless routine. And for many, this is the norm: work to live and live to work. But what if it didn't have to be this way? What if there was more to life than just surviving the daily grind? What if you could break free from the loop and find something that truly excites you, something that gives you joy, purpose, and fills your evenings with excitement instead of exhaustion? Passions, hobbies, interests, these are things that can transform your routine. They add color to your life, something to look forward to when you close your laptop for the day. Whether it's painting, music, cooking, sports, or even learning something new, these are the things that make life interesting. Life isn't just about working to pay bills, it's about living, and everyone deserves to experience joy beyond their job. And when you find something that lights you up, it's like a new chapter begins, one where you get to create, explore, and truly live. It doesn't matter how busy life gets. There's always time for something that makes you feel alive, because you matter and your happiness matters. So why not take the time to discover what makes your heart race? You're not just here to work and sleep. You're here to live, to experience, and to enjoy. Don't let life pass you by. Find what makes you happy. Escape the routine. Add flavor to your life, because life is too short to live on autopilot. Ready to break free from the routine and start discovering what truly makes you happy? Let's explore passions, hobbies, and all the things that bring joy into our lives. You don't have to do this alone. We're in this together.